It'll be worth it. All right, let's see.
It smells like onions. And there smells like onions.
What's my onions?
And Papa John's. That's what you come up smelling like.
I just been there for like 2 minutes.
Bruh.
Wait a minute.
All right, which one is which?
So this one they messed this up because they didn't. I think it's supposed to be on top.
Got him!
So this one with the raspberries on top is Chloe's. Sorry, it's Courtney's. This one's Kylie's. Courtney's, this bowl thing here. This one is Kylie's. This is their mom's, Chris. This one's Courtney's. Sorry, this one's Chloe's. This one is the Snickerdoodle, so that's Kim's, and then I think this one's Kendall's.
All right, let's see. One. One.
Yeah, which one do you want to try first?
It don't matter. It's like I really know which one is which one anyways.
Got him!
Okay, let's do the cake. That thing,
Pancake?
It's like some sort of cake. That thing messed up. This thing's supposed to be on top of the cake.
Guess because they're making the orders out of sync.
Okay.
That's right without. That's right without the. What's that, fudge? What do you call it?
Chocolate?
Chocolate. I like it tastes chocolate.
It basically tastes like a chocolate cake. This is Kris Jenner's. Like a birthday cake. Not bad though. But it just tastes like a birthday cake. Like ain't that special.
It's very plain. But I mean, I guess it's good if you don't want much sugar or whatever. So, all right, next.
Okay, next let's try Kylie's sugar cookie.
Sugar cookie?
Yeah.
I thought they were sugar free. Or
No,
is it different?
That's just this one.
Oh.
That's Courtney's because she's vegan or something like that. So
Took up such a big piece. Keep my pocket. Icing is good. A little sweet, but that is very sweet.
yeah, besides the icing, it's just your regular sugar cookie.
So far, I rated like a 2.
So what'd you rate hers? The cake?
By itself. To be honest, I guess it's what you're going for. Like if you're going for not too sweet, just something you can just eat, I guess, some kind of treat. Maybe a 5, 6. The chocolate. That's good. It definitely needs a chocolate. I don't think you eat it without it. It'll be too plain. This, if you want sweet, yeah. Who is this?
That was Kylie's.
Yeah, if you want sweet, this one. Too sweet, actually.
Yeah, it was a little sweet. Chloe's. Hers is the cookies and cream.
I like this. I think this.
Yeah.
Who's in there? Sir. I get lost with all these names. Who's that again?
This one's Chloe's.
Chloe.
I think if you're a chocolate person, you'll like this.
This is good. It's not too sweet. It's not too dry. It actually got some taste. It's good. $7.58. It's good.
Yeah, I'd give it an 8. I'll give Chloe's like a 9.
Yeah,
I like that one.
8.5.
Sugar cookie, probably a 5.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 4 or something. It's a little too sweet. Just a little too sweet.
The cake, I'll give a 5 too.
What, the first one?
Yeah. It tastes like a birthday cake to me. It doesn't taste like anything crazy. Okay, next is this one is Kendall, I believe. This is the cookie dough cookie.
I'm gonna share it with you guys. My bad. Y'all been here with us all the time.
It was like a sugar rush.
Oh. Get it? Try the cookie by itself first. Cookie by itself is good. Soft.
It's good though. Ooh. Sugar.
This is good too. That's good.
Yeah.
Look at this one kind of just melts. It's good. Who's that though? Sorry.
That one I think is Kendall's.
Kendall. So 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. This one's good. Now we gotta
Chloe. Ooh, Kylie.
No, Chloe. Kim. Kendall.
Yeah.
This is Courtney's.
All right, let's see.
I'm scared.
Go ahead.
Lord. This is Courtney is vegan, so this is like her flourless, sugarless, everythingless cake. Okay, Lord.
Oh my God!
No.
Oh my God!
It's a no for me. No. Yeah, say something.
Got him! Got him!
Ugh.
I'll tell you about the 12.
I was trying to swallow it. I couldn't get it swallowed.
You just spit it out.
Oh my God. It's like a bittery, like it's so, ew.
I don't like the smell of it.
Like, you know, sits on your tongue and like your taste buds just,
Yeah, that's not. That ain't it.
Courtney, why would you do that to us?
You gotta make sure you wash that one down.
Ooh. Oh. That's why I saved that for last. The only good thing about it is that it kind of washed away the sweet palate.
I mean, like the smell of it almost. The smell of it.
You know what this reminds me of? You know the movie Matilda? I'm sure that chocolate cake tasted way better, but that's what it looks like.
I want to smell it. But you guys should try it. Just see what. But I'm saying no.
I wonder
It's
if
a no
she's
for
vegan. I
me.
wonder if it's eggless.
I think apparently it's eggless too. But still,
Make my son try it. He could be the verdict.
No. Don't give me that. Don't do that.
He'll probably be like, ew.
Don't do that to my child, please.
Ew, mommy. Yucky. I don't like it.
Yeah, that one's definitely a no.
Yeah, it's a 0 to 10.
The texture, the taste, even the smell of it, I don't like to have a... No, this one is just not... I think you probably need a little bit more effort with this one.
Because she wanted to be the healthy cookie. That, I don't even know what that is. I can't even say that's healthy.
Courtney?
No, Chloe. Courtney's the
Sorry.
vegan.
I'm terrible with all these names. This one's good. Courtney. Yeah, this one's good.
No, Chloe. I just said
You
that.
playing me?
Chloe.
See, that girl was in line before me.
Who?
Her. Looks like she's probably coming back to get her stuff now. The way they have it set up is not good at all. They gotta make both orders. Make online and make people who walk in. So I guess they're trying to keep the line moving.
Mm-hmm.
So they're making those people orders first. Almost. So now if you're online, it says you're number 15, you're number 6, but then you go in there, you're like number 20 on the board. So they keep pushing the order back. That's not good. Yeah, this one's good. All these last three.
What? There's no way you forgot.
You know what the other problem is too?
What?
I could recognize Kim because it's Kim Kardashian. The other ones, I can recognize Kylie a little bit. The other ones, I can't tell which one is which. So that's where I kind of mix them up.
Chloe dated Tristan Thompson.
Like I know anything but Tristan Thompson.
Nobody else, but he's all over the place. So yeah.
That don't help.
He's a true Brampton man.
We come back again. Here's all of these trees. All right, where we going next?
You see, to go to the island store.
Yeah, we go to the island store, get some coconut water. You try the mango juice yet? Oh, don't drop on that.
No, you might as well go back home if you want your hair done or you don't want to do your hair.
If we got time. No, don't worry. Damn, bro, you just gonna reverse and look?
He's still reversing and not looking, you know.
Why
He's
you
only looking
in the
one
mirror?
side.
Oh,
If you know you can't, well, it doesn't mean you can't reverse, but if you can't reverse, it means you can't reverse far either.
I think people reversing just don't look.
And I was like, yesterday I almost hit the neighbor.
Who?
On Cross Street.
Why?
Because he was in his car, but I didn't know he was in his car. So I guess he was just sitting there. And then as soon as I pulled out, he started reversing. I didn't know he was in the car. I didn't see no lights on, nothing. So he must have turned out right when I was pulling out and just started reversing.
Some people drive weird sometimes. Almost T-bone a lady. Scarping it. You want to pull right off her driveway. That's one of those long driveway too. And look at, I'm like, she doesn't look like she's gonna stop. I stopped right when maybe about almost the back wheel get on the road. She looked over, she goes, oh my gosh. I was like,
What do you mean? Oh my gosh! Like
the entire time you reversed, you did not look right at all. And I'm just like, so what if I wasn't looking for you? I wasn't paying attention, like for no reason.
Accident.
Accident in the middle of a, what do you call those, court? Nothing's moving. That would have been completely ridiculous. Like, how would this happen? She did not look right one time until the back wheel got on the road. Shout out to
Man, ridiculous, yes?
Courtney.
No!
I feel like you play around with me.
It's not Courtney.
Chloe. I feel like you play around with me.
Oh my gosh. You're the worst.
Hey, I don't watch the show. I don't know much.
I don't watch the show.